Jamaican Elaine Thompson-Herrock is upbeat about another win after Fraser-Pryce withdrew from the Paris Diamond League. Hi again and welcome. This is the Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop, and we'll be right back with the details to come. Hi again and welcome to Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop, where you get the latest news, views, and trends on celebrities. You'll also find out who's been naughty and who is being good. Right here, both local and international news on celebrities, Links 007 TV is the place to be. Welcome back and thanks for joining us for the program. This is Link 007 TV Celebrity to the Scoop. So Jamaican athletes will hit the tracks today in Wonder Diamond League after Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce pulled out of the Paris meet. So sprinter Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce has pulled out of the Wonder Diamond League meet set for Paris on Saturday. So Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce ran a personal best of 10.60 seconds at the Lausanne leg of the Diamond League on Thursday, 5 days after previously competing at the Classic in Oregon. She also was in action at the Tokyo Olympic Games from July 29 to August the 7th. So many fans of Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce are very surprised that she has withdrawn from the Wonder Diamond League 100 meter in Paris, France after feeling fatigue. So the lineup for this race this morning is Elaine Thompson-Herrock, Shericka Jackson and Natasha Morrison are set to compete at this morning's event, which is slated for 9:39 Jamaica time. Now the Jamaican Olympic champion Elaine Thompson-Herrock will be seeking to get back to her winning ways when she runs in the women 100 meter at today's Wonder Diamond League in Paris, France. Elaine Thompson-Herrock was edged out by her compadre Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce in a fast 100 meter in Lausanne on Thursday, but the planned Diamond League rematch will not take place as the latter part have withdrawn from the meet. Fraser-Pryce, the third fastest woman ever overall in the 100 meter after her personal best of 10.60 seconds win on Thursday, is reported to be suffering from fatigue after a long season. Her main rival is out, but Thompson-Herrock, who clocked 10.64 seconds on Thursday, remained upbeat about today's race. Elaine Thompson-Herrock said that Shelly-Ann has helped to motivate her this season. Shelly-Ann ran 10.63 earlier this year in Jamaica. I know she is a hard-working woman, and the fact that she is running so fast at 34 years old give me that motivation, she stated. I can do it again at the Olympics in Paris when I am 32, she stated. But this is just one of the most anticipated race that is going to be showdown today, and I can tell you that the Jamaicans will be glued to their TV sets in order to witness this spectacular moment. So two other Jamaicans will be taking part in the race as well, and it's Olympic bronze medalist Shericka Jackson and Natasha Morrison will run in today's event as well. An interesting entry into the race is Great Britain Diana Asher-Smith, who did not perform at her best at the Tokyo Olympics due to injury. So Jamaica will be taking part in a number of events today, and we're just hoping for the best results to come, and we'll continue to keep you up to date with these reports plus more to come on Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop. Thanks for watching and peace out, and have a blessed and productive Saturday morning.